Hello everyone, let us discuss profit and loss for grade 5. So I will discuss all the formulas with you first and then we will take a few questions. First one is profit. Profit is SP minus CP and loss I have written CP minus SP. Suppose if you are buying something for rupees 10 and selling it for rupees 12. So it means profit. अगर तो selling price greater है cost price से, then it will be a profit. Otherwise, it will be a loss. So these formulas I have discussed with you earlier. Then next is profit percent and loss percent. तो profit percent के लिए profit upon CP into 100. Loss percent is loss upon CP into 100. Next one is, there are few formulas. We have basic 4 formulas. अगर आपको ये basic 4 formulas learn है, if you are able to apply that, then that's all. No need to learn any other formula, but if you want to learn any other formula in form of CP or in form of SP, then you can learn these. Actually, these formulas 5 to 8, these are derived from upper formulas only. Okay. So, SP, suppose if you are given cost price and profit percent or cost price and loss percent and you are asked find the selling price, then you can use these formulas. Or if you are given selling price and loss percent or profit percent, then you can use these formulas to find the cost price. I hope you understand these. Let us start with the word problems. Very first one is, Guru brought a cycle for rupees 750 and transport charges were rupees 20. If the cycle was sold for rupees 798, then find his gain or loss. अब profit को gain भी बोल देते हैं. So you may be asked find gain or profit, anything. So he bought the cycle for rupees 750 and transport charges are 20 rupees. So repair charges, transport charges, all the other charges are always included in the cost price. So we will write down the cost price to be 750 plus 20 rupees. So it will come out to be 770 rupees. Now we are given selling price here. Selling price is rupees 798. Now you will compare both selling price और cost price को. कौन सा bigger है? You will check selling price is greater than cost price. It means क्या होगा उसे? Gain या loss? Yes, he will be in gain. तो gain क्या होगा? Gain will be selling price minus cost price. That is 798 minus 770 rupees. So rupees 28 का gain हुआ है गुरु को. Okay, so this was the simplest one. Let us do one more. Next one is, a merchant bought a cement bag for rupees 399 and 50 paisa and sold it at a profit of rupees 10 and 50 paisa. Find the selling price of cement bag. So first of all, we will write down the cost price. So CP is given, that is rupees 399.50 and he sold it at a profit of rupees 10.50. Selling price we have to find it out. So what is the selling price then? Selling price will be cost price plus profit. How it comes? So this formula I have derived from the basic formula, that is profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, that we have used right now in the previous question. So let us add it up. 399.50 plus 10.50. When you add it up, you will come to get here 410 rupees. So selling price will be 410 rupees. I hope you understand this. So basic first formula we are using here. Next one is, Sammy sold a washing machine for rupees 3175. So selling price is given, that is 3175 at a loss of rupees 250. So here the loss is 250 rupees. Now they are asking to find the cost price of the machine. So what is the formula for loss? loss is CP minus SP. So from here we want to find out the cost price. So cost price कितना होगा? That will be L plus SP. So this formula I have derived from here only. Okay. So basic formula ही हमने use करने हैं. Then we can derive the other one. So let us add it up. Loss is 253,175. Now add it up. After adding up, we will get rupees 3,325. So cost price will be 3,325 rupees. Next one is Mona bought a sofa for rupees 6,400 and sold for 7,200. Find the profit %. Now it is already clear. Sofa खरीदा 6,400 का, बेचा उसने 7,200 का. It means it is more. So there will be a profit. So I'm directly write down the profit, that is SP minus CP. SP है हमारा 7,200, CP is 6,400. So it will come out to be rupees 800. Now we want to find out the profit %. So formula for profit % is P upon CP into 100. P is 800, CP is 6,400. Now multiply by 100. Now do cancellations. Zeros will cancel out with 0. 8 ones are 8. 8 eights are 64. Now on the table of 4 you can cancel out. 4 twos are 8. 4 25s are 100. So it will be 25 by 2%, or you can convert it into improper or decimals. Both can be correct, or you can leave it here also. Next is a chair was purchased for rupees 400. It was sold for some price at a loss of 10%. Find the selling price. So chair was purchased. Purchased means cost price, that is rupees 400, and the loss % is given, that is 10%. So first of all we will find out the loss. After finding the loss we will find out the selling price. So what will be the loss %? The formula for loss % is L upon CP into 100. Let us put the values here. 10 is equal to L upon 400 into 400. Zeros will cancel out with 0. It will be 10 is equal to L by 4. 4 will be cross multiplied here. So L will be 10 into 4, that is 40. Rupees 40 will be the loss. Now we come to know about the loss. Now we can find out the selling price. So what will be the selling price? Selling price will be cost price minus loss. Cost price is 400 minus 40 rupees. So it will be 360 rupees. So this way you can use the basic formulas and find out profit, loss, selling price, cost price, whatever you are asked. I hope you understand this. Thank you. For these type of more videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share with your friends. Thank you.